Here's another video using the sixth sound. I'm pressing down the A pedal and playing in the key of A, starting on the 5th fret. Just gonna do an A, D, and E kind of bluesy progression, kind of a jazzy bluesy thing. You gotta admit, Buddy Emmons was unbelievable, and his steel guitar jazz record is great. All his records are great. Everything he did was pretty great, and Buddy was pretty much the king of the pedal steel guitar, and I don't think anybody will argue with that. But this has got really, nowhere near Buddy, but it's just the idea that jazz and the steel guitar are kind of a thing. So I'm gonna just play a little bit just with the A pedal down, and just to kind of show steel guitar is kind of a jazzy bluesy thing.